That's the original 7M GTE that came in my car that had massive rod knock. I'm not going to turn it around right now, but this cylinder right here, the bearing is 100% disintegrated. There was less than half the tab remaining in there. The rest of it's just gone. I'm assuming eaten up by the motor. And here's the top of this, the heads, dirty. Looks like the original owner, or the owner before me, had replaced the head gasket but did a bad job at putting everything back together. I'm hoping, I'm going to find out, I just need to hone the cylinder walls and replace bearings and clean it up and be okay to put it back together. I haven't had a chance to clean all this up, check for clearances yet, but one step closer to having this motor running.